This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Working in the luggage compartment, rotate the fasteners anti-clockwise and remove the access cover. Undo the 2 plastic nuts and pull the light cluster rearwards a little. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Release the 4 clips and detach the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Depress the relevant bulb, rotate it anti-clockwise slightly and pull it from the bulb holder. On most bayonet pin bulbs, the pins are offset and will only fit correctly in one position. Align the bayonet pins of the bulb with the slots in the bulb holder, then insert the bulb and twist it clockwise to secure. Press the bulb holder assembly into the light cluster, ensuring the clips engage. Reconnect the wiring plug, then manoeuvre the light cluster back into place. Refit and tighten the plastic nuts. Close the access panel, then rotate the fasteners clockwise.